reading or math, or decreasing homelessness, then your sustainability plan is going to have to be more complex. This is because after the funding period is over, you will more than likely need to continue providing services to a new population. So unlike a short-term project where you're repairing an irrigation ditch, that irrigation ditch might need a little bit of maintenance, but it's the same irrigation ditch that you're always going to keep going back to. If you're working on a population or a targeted group of kids that are at risk, you're going to help them for multiple years, and eventually they're going to move on to other things, grow up, and age out of your program. So then you'll have a new group of kids that are that age. And they don't necessarily, although it might get easier to do your program from year to year, you're still going to be dealing with the same problem. So that is something to think about. So on these type of long-term projects, most of the time your budget is usually focused on providing services to these populations. So you have project directors, site coordinators, and you have a lot of line items that are for personnel. And for short-term projects, often we see those as, they will have personnel, of course, but they're not as heavy in that area as, for example, supplies or equipment or contractual. Your sustainability plan for a short-term initiative is going to be less complex, and that's because of that distribution of where your budget is, whether it's personnel or equipment. When you have a budget that is shifted more towards a one-time purchase, then in future years, chances are you're not going to need to rebuy those pieces of equipment or contract with those contractors and that type